How to use backtest and optimize panel. Part 2. Optimization. In the previous video, we demonstrated how to manually initiate and run backtesting tasks in the backtest and optimize panel. In this video, we will explain how to conduct an optimization process to discover the optimal values for input parameters that will help achieve the best trading targets. To begin, select the optimization mode option in the settings sidebar. You'll see that the backtesting environment and strategy parameters remain unchanged from backtesting mode, but two new sections have been added. In the optimization parameters section, you can choose the optimization algorithm and customize its settings. The available algorithms are brute force, Monte Carlo, Las Vegas, and particle swarm. You can learn more about these algorithms online. For our example, we will be using the brute force option. After selecting the algorithm option, there is a feature called degree of parallelism. This determines the number of backtesting tasks the algorithm can run on your computer simultaneously. This option can help reduce the strain on your processor. Okay, let's go on and specify optimization values and targets. Values are taken from the strategy input parameters and allow minimal, maximal, and step of change settings to be set. First, let's adjust one of our input parameters and then move on to our targets. The net PNL will serve as the optimization target, calculated as the final result for each task. We will use this target to determine the best input parameters. Let's begin the optimization process now. You may have noticed that there are no speed controls in the results section. This is because each optimization task is processed in the background and will automatically stop when it's finished. While the optimization is taking place, you will see brief information about the total and completed tasks count so that you can track the progress. When a new task is completed, it will be added to the results table along with its optimization ID and target values. After completing all the tasks, you can sort the table to identify the best target result. Additionally, you can connect a visualizator just like any manually initiated backtesting task. To better organize your testing results, try grouping them by the optimization ID. This will allow you to view all tasks related to a specific optimization iteration easily. Any manual backtests will be grouped under NA. If you need to find the applied optimization value of one particular task, right-click on the task and select Apply Strategy Settings. This will update your current strategy parameters with the ones from the selected test. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. You can find other instructional videos on our YouTube channel, and we welcome your feedback and inquiries in the comments section.